Ever tried scaling microservices and ended up knee deep in hard coded IPs, broken connections, or mystery downtime? Yeah, we have all been there. But what if your services could find each other automatically like GPS for your backend? That's where the service registry pattern comes in. In this video, I will show you how it works, why it matters, and what tools you can use to make your microservices play nice in under few minutes. So here's the problem. In a microservices world, we have a tons of small services doing different things and they need to talk to each other. But IPs change, services go up and down, and manually tracking all this, nope, that's a chaos. Service registry pattern, your go to solution for dynamic service discovery. Here's how it works. First, each microservice registers itself to a central registry like checking in at a hotel. It shares its IPs, ports, names, and all other metadata. So in flowchart, you can see this registry clients with respect to each microservices are connecting, are registering to the service registry. When another service wants to talk to it, it asks the registry, hey, where's the service X? And the registry replies with respective response. Now, clients use this info to directly connect, enabling dynamic routing and even load balancing between multiple service instances. And it doesn't stop there. To make sure everything's healthy, services send regular heartbeats. If one stops responding, the registry just drops it from the list. Neat, right? And for this, we do have some popular tools like Netflix, Eureka, favorite one, etcd, there's the Zookeeper. So if you are building with microservices, the service registry pattern is your secret weapon for scalable and reliable communication. Smash that like button if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for the next one in the list. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye, take care.